Hello everyone. Following on from last week's unbelievable success of the Hotpoint upright, we are sticking with Hotpoint and we are sticking with 1985. This time though, the cylinder machine. How will this one do? Will it equal its upright brother? Well, there's only one way to find out. Test! Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2. Weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3. Sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4. Agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. First job, as always, weigh the bag. Let's see what this one gets. 30 grams. Okay, I'll write that down. Okay, almost ready to go. Let's bring this forward a little bit. Oh, right, okay. Are we ready? Hotpoint, are you ready? Amazon Assistant, are you ready? I am ready. Let's do this thing. Good luck, Hotpoint. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Next step. Oh, there we go. Well done, Hotpoint. Slightly squealy bearings on this one. Have to have a look at that. Anyway, let's weigh the bag, see what we got. Oh, this is exciting. Let's see. Let's get the bag on there. Ooh, can I get it on properly? Yep. No, that's not on properly. Got to be fair. Got to do this right. 128. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Well, in the battle of the vacuum cleaners, this has turned out to be very interesting. Hotpoint is absolutely smashing it and leading the way right now. This machine managed to pick up 98% of the sand that was put down. So the Hotpoint upright is leading the charge in the uprights, and the Hotpoint cylinder is leading the charge in the cylinders. I honestly didn't expect this machine to outperform the Electrolux 345. Genuinely didn't. Is that pole going to fall over? Probably. But yeah, what a fantastic result for this cleaner. It looks like we should always have been buying Hotpoint, not Hoover, not Electrolux. Hotpoint is just leading the way. I'm genuinely surprised. I genuinely am surprised. I never thought that head would perform better than the 345's head, but there we go. This is what we find. This is the results. We can only go on what the test results show. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye.